Hi everyone! Welcome to Minimalist Millennials, a new series by the Minimalist Society where we cover some topics applicable to millennials. If you enjoy our videos, do hit the subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with our future videos. In this video, we talk about goal setting using a minimalist approach. At the start of every year, people love to set New Year's resolutions. They love to say, New Year, New Me. But how many of these goals actually are achieved? Probably not that many. So we comfort ourselves by saying, there's always next year. Through this video, we hope to share some tips to break this cyclical cycle and help you achieve your goals. To start, you should be purposeful in the way you set your goals. Think about the intentions behind each goal and only engage in those that would enrich your life. If each goal that you set is purposeful, you would have a higher motivation to achieve these goals. Because every step you take to work towards it value adds to your life. Decluttering your goal list on a regular basis is important to remove the goals that you have already achieved and to keep your list in check. Your goals may change throughout the year according to the things that you value. As such, it is important to always make sure that you are working towards something purposeful. Crossing completed goals off the list would also empower you to make more positive changes to your life, fueling you to work harder. You should also be realistic about the goals that you set. Setting unattainable goals will only demoralize yourself when you fail to achieve it no matter how hard you work. So do yourself a favor and give yourself sufficient time or lower your expectations where necessary. Take things a step at a time and don't be too focused on the end result, but focus on the process instead. If the end result is unsatisfactory, you would just feel demoralized because things are not going the way you expected it to. Set sub-goals that help you take steps in the right direction and reward yourself adequately along with every small success. Giving yourself a pat on the back every now and then is important to keep yourself motivated. Look back and see how far you have come, how much you have improved, and see that your hard work has paid off. And most importantly, believe in yourself and know that you would reach your goal sooner or later. If you enjoyed our content, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to be notified of our future videos. See you guys in the next one.